Dear students, today we will discuss about configuring layer 3 switching and InterVlan routing. Here we have both IPv4 routing and IPv6 routing. Okay, so I'll open the topology. This is a topology. Okay, so first question. So what is the before that? This is layer 2 switch, layer 2 switch, layer 2 switch. It can understand only MAC address. This is layer 3 switch which can understand MAC address and IP address. It's used for routing like your router. Okay. So this question is this sense where is the question? Okay, this one. Start with configuring the multi-layer switch on the layer 3 switch. Okay, why it is MLS? Multi-layer means it will operate in layer 2 as well as layer 3. Configure G0 bar 2 as a routed port and assign IP address according to table. Okay, so G0 bar 2 routed port means usually it is access port. How to make it routed port? We need to make no switch port. IP address given in the question paper itself. Okay, so I'll go to interface G0 bar 2. Okay, take this MLS multi-layer switching. Okay, I will take this enable configure space T interface. What was that interface name, Baba? G0 bar 2. Okay, G0 bar 2 no switch port. Okay, IP address. What is the IP address and what is the subnet mask? I will just check in the question. Okay, 209. This one I will copy. You cannot do in the exam. Just here we can do in the practice. Okay, because I'm lazy. Okay, copy this one. Then no shut. So that is done. That means I have configured this interface as a routed port. And you can talk to the router, another network. Okay, I want to ping to the cloud. Okay, so next is what is next? Verify the connectivity to cloud by pinging 209.165.200.226. Okay, so this cloud IP they have given. So this is IP is 209.165.200.226. So I'm going to ping this. So I'll just take this command. I don't want to type again. Okay, I'll go here. So where is the? We'll go to hash mode. Go back, exit. Then ping. Again still it's not there, so go back to exit again, hash mode, then again ping. Now let's check the ping is successful or not. Yes, ping is successful. Okay, again if you try it will be 100%. Okay, now how much percentage? 12. Configure InterVlan routing. So for that, first add the VLAN to the multi-layer switch or layer 3 switch according to the table. Okay, so 10, 20, 30 staff, student, faculty, give the same name. Okay, so I'll just type like this, configure space T VLAN 10, name is staff. Okay, capital letter STAFF. Okay, now VLAN 20 student, capital letter S, student. See, percentage is increasing. Okay, now VLAN 30, name faculty. Okay, so now it is 25%. Now configure SPI, yani switch virtual interface on MLS. So one I will show you for VLAN 10. IP address is 192.168.10.254.255.5.250. For VLAN 20, I will get from here 20.254. VLAN 30, 30.254. Okay, so I will just open, exit. Now interface VLAN 10. What is the IP address? IP address 192.168.10.254, then 255.255.255.0. Sorry, there is a mistake in the previous command, so I put INT VLAN 10. IP address 192.168.10.254, then 255.255.255.0. no shit. Like this we have to give the SPI for VLAN 20, VLAN 30. Okay, so again VLAN 20 IP address 192.168.20.254 then 255.255.255.0. no shit. Exit. Interface VLAN 30 IP address 192.168.30.254 255.255.255.0, no shut. Okay, now the percentage is 37. Now trunking on MLS, configure trunking on MLS. So why we need trunking? Because we have a switch, layer 2 switch connecting to MLS. This is trunk port. We have to enable trunking in the MLS. Okay, so how do we enable trunking? So static trunk. Okay, so this is D0 bar 1. If you want to see the port numbers, go to options, preferences, then show model. Always show port label. Okay, 0 bar 1 should be static trunk. So I'll go here, interface G 0 bar 1, G0 bar 1. Static trunk means switch port mode trunk. Okay, and we have to configure native VLAN 99. Okay, so switch port trunk native VLAN 99. Okay, after that here we have to add one more command, switch port trunk encapsulation.1q. This is the command we have to add in the trunking for layer 3 switch. Okay, so like we add in the InterVlan routing of router, no interface, then we will write like encapsulation.1q, like that same thing here, but we have to mention switch port trunk encapsulation dot 1q. Okay, now it will not score any marks. Okay, this is mentioned here. Okay, there is no marks for trunk encapsulation. Now trunking on S1 also should be made trunk, native VLAN should be added. Okay, so I'll go here. What was the port number? G0 okay, so enable configure interface G0 bar 1 static port trunk, static trunk is switch port mode trunk, switch port mode trunk, switch port trunk native VLAN 99. Okay, do WR. Okay, now 54. Now show IP route command, enable IP routing to enable. Okay, so I'll just where's show IP routing? In the MLS. Okay, in the MLS. Okay, here I have to make it green, right? Okay, now here I will show IP route command means to display the routing. Okay, routes added. So I'll just go for show IP route command. Nothing is because I didn't enable IP routing, so I have to enable IP routing. So I'll go for config space T IP routing. Sorry, IP routing added. Now go to hash mode and type show IP route. You can see the routes added. See, added 10.0, 10.0, all the VLANs added. Okay. Now ping from PC3 to PC to PC3, PC1 to PC4, all those things. Okay, so I'll go here PC0 to PC3. First, what is PC3 IP? Let me check PC3 IP 10.2 PC0. Go to command prompt, ping, this one run, it's pinging. Okay, so InterVlan is now working because we have configured the VLANs, then SPI we configured, we enable the IP routing, now we are pinging. Okay, now what we do is we need to okay, try to ping to cloud. Okay, let me check the cloud also. PING ping request not found because the name and okay 209 ping this address. Okay, from any device to verify InterVlan routing, ping device outside InterVlan route. Okay, that's done. Okay, from any device ping this address out inside the cloud. Okay, so here PC1 this is all done. Verify InterVlan routing, we have to ping to 209.165. Let me try again. 209.165.200.226. It's also pinging. That time see the dot was added. That's now it's pinging. Okay, so that means we are pinging from inside this LAN and outside the LAN, like that. It's outside the layer 3 switch, like cloud is there, no? So it's pinging to there also. Okay, so InterVlan routing also done. Then we are ping to the cloud also. Okay, now we have to go for IPv6. The same thing. Now we go for IPv6. Okay, so for enabling IPv6, so you remember in your NF2 or CNF we studied, to enable IPv6 routing in the router you have to add IPv6 unicast routing. Same command you have to add in the multi-layer switch also. Configure, first command to enable IPv6 routing is IPv6 unicast hyphen routing. Okay, now SVI for IPv6. Okay, so SVI for IPv6 VLAN 10, this is the IPv6 address of SVI VLAN 10. So I will just configure interface VLAN 1 IPv6 address. I will just this one. Okay, so this one will copy this one, copy this one. After that, do we have link local? Just let me check. Do we have link local? No link local. Okay, just no shut. Okay, no shut. Now go for exit VLAN 20. Now interface VLAN space 20. Also IPv6 address is this one given. Sorry, not here. VLAN 20 is this one, db8 20::1. Okay, just copy this one, go here. So done. Oh, what happened? Sorry, I forget to put IP address. Then you have to put. Okay. Then again, what happened? IPv6 address. Sorry, IPv6 address. Then you have to copy paste. That's very little fast. Okay. No shut. Now exit interface VLAN 30. For that IPv6 address, the same IP address, but only thing is 20 bar ::1 changed to 30 ::1. No shut. Okay, done. After that, what we have is configure G0/2 with IP address on IPv6 on MLS. Okay, now we have to configure this address, IPv6 address. Okay, so exit interface G0/2 IPv6 address is given already here. Okay, just copy this one, here before. Okay, no shut. Let's see, it is 87%. Now, but still some commands are missing. That's why it is 87. It should have been 100 now. Okay, let's see. Let me see what the mistake I have done. Okay, now let me check the show IPv6 route. Okay, show IPv6 route. It's there. Now verify PC3 ping MLS to connect with VLAN 10. Okay, so let me check the InterVlan routing. Okay, before that let me check what is the mistake I have made here. VLAN 10 I give IP address prefix length wrong, I think. Okay, VLAN 10 IPv6 address I think I gave wrong. Let me check. VLAN 10 VLAN 10 VLAN 10. Okay, my God, that's 192.10.254, right? This one is 10.254 only. Okay, this is 2008. Okay, 2001 db8. Let me check this one. I think it is not added. That's right. Okay, now I'll add now config space 2 t interface VLAN space 10 IPv6 address. Now try this one. It's overlapping 10::, easy. Okay, I think you have to give the small letter, I think. Okay, so I'll try no, type this one, then okay, no IPv6 address, then paste. Now try IPv6 address 2001 colon DB8 colon ACAD colon 10 colon 1/64 overlapping. Okay, let me click again, show run. Where I configured then this one, this IP. If I not configured VLAN, oh, I gave it in VLAN 1. Actually, VLAN 10 I should give. Okay, understood. Okay, see, VLAN 1 I give this address. Okay, so I'll go to config space T interface space VLAN 1 no IP. This is how we troubleshoot. Okay, that happen. No, this is human being can make mistake, right? So no problem, you can troubleshoot this. Okay, no IP address. Oh, sorry, no IPv6 address. Okay, no IPv6 address. Okay, now exit. Now I will go to interface VLAN 10 IPv6 address. Now try 95. Still 100 is not reached. Okay, so what is that? What is the problem now? 5% again mistake. This one is VLAN 99, no IP given. Okay, VLAN 99. You have to give the IP address of VLAN 99. So where is that VLAN 99? This one I forget this also. Okay, VLAN 99 MLS I have not given. So IPv4 address. Okay, so exit interface VLAN 99 IP address 192.168.99.254 but then 255.255.255 sorry 255.0 no class. Now it is 100%. Okay, what we have done is same thing, configure InterVlan routing on MLS switch, just added one extra trunk port towards S1. Okay, then we configured IPv6 routing, IP routing for IPv6 also. Okay, that's all. Then ping, you know that. Okay, just if you want to try the ping for IPv6, okay, this I'll tell you. So say PC0 to PC3 IPv6 ping. So what I will do, I'll copy the PC3 IPv6 address. Okay, like this. Go to PC0, then ping IPv6 address. See this pinging or not? Okay, it will. That's a command for pinging. Okay, ping IPv6. Okay, it will first it will time out, then it will get that output. Okay. So we'll check that later. Okay, so I'm not taking, is wasting my time. Okay, now that's all. I have to close my video. So